excited.
Right, so can I have a little test with you?
Yeah, that's
You
great.
mind?
I'm all prepared.
Okay, right. Good. Let us arithmetize a little now.
Yes, gladly, Professor.
It wouldn't be too tiresome for you to tell me.
Oh, not at all, Professor. Go on.
Okay, how much are 1 and 1?
1 and 1 make 2.
But that's very good. You appear to me to be well along in your studies. You should easily achieve a total doctorate, miss.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad, especially to have someone like you to tell me that.
Let's push on now. How much are 2 and 1?
3,
3 and 1?
4,
4 and 1?
5,
5 and 1?
6,
6 and 1?
7,
7 and 1?
8.
7 and 1?
8 again.
Very well answered. 7 and 1?
8 once more.
Perfect. Excellent. 7 and 1?
8 again, and sometimes 9.
Magnificent. You are magnificent. You are exquisite. I congratulate you warmly, miss. There's scarcely any point in going on. At addition, you're a past master. But now, let's look at subtraction. Tell me, if you're not exhausted, how many are 4 minus 3?
4 minus 3.
Yes, 4 minus 3.
4 minus 3. 4 minus...
Yes, I mean to say, subtract 3 from 4.
That makes 7.
I am sorry, but I'm obliged to contradict you. 4 minus 3 does not make 7. You are confused. 4 plus 3 makes 7. 4 minus 3 does not make 7. This is not addition anymore. We must subtract now.
Ah, yes.
So 4 minus 3 makes how many? How many?
How many? 4.
No, miss, that's not it.
3 then?
Not that either, miss. Pardon? I'm sorry. I ought to say that's not it. Excuse me.
4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. But now, doesn't that make 10?
Oh, certainly not, miss. No. It's not a matter of guessing. You've got to think that out. Let's try to deduce it together. Would you like to count?
Yes, Professor.
Okay. You know, come on, you know how to count?
1, 2.
How far can you count up to?
Oh, I can count to infinity.
Well, that's not possible, miss.
Well, let's say to 16.
That is enough. One must know one's limits.